Welcome to our magical forest! I'm Robbie the Rabbit, your guide on this fantastic learning adventure. Are you ready to meet my wonderful friends? Let's hop to it. Meet Daisy the deer, Ollie the owl, Clara the cow, and Ellie the elephant. They're super excited to say hello and share some cool things with you.
Hi, little friends. I'm Daisy the deer. I love to prance around the forest and nibble on tasty leaves. Today, I'll show you how to count using my antlers. Ready for some deery good fun?
Hoot hoot! I'm Ollie the owl. I stay up late to watch over the forest. Today, I'll teach you about shapes with my wise owl eyes. Get ready for some shape-tastic discoveries.
Hello, kiddos. I'm Clara the cow. I spend my days munching on delicious grass. Today I'll share some marvelous facts about colors. Are you ready to paint the forest with me?
Greetings, little ones. I'm Ellie the elephant, the gentle giant of the forest. I'll teach you about big and small things with my long trunk. Get ready for a trunk load of fun.
Wow, weren't they amazing? Our forest friends can teach us so many things. Whether it's counting with Daisy, discovering shapes with Ollie, exploring colors with Clara, or learning about big and small with Ellie. There's so much to explore together.